दुश्मन को अब लक्ष्य नहीं है दूर, जो कायरता तुमने दिखाई उसका जवाब दिया भरपूर। बेगुनाह लोगों को जैसे तुमने मारा बनकर क्रूर, भारत कैसे रहे सहिष्णु, कर दिया हमें इतना मजबूर। गर्व हमें है हमारे सैनिक हमारे, शौर्य वीरता के लिए मशहूर, एक और पराक्रम कर दिखाया जिसका नाम ऑपरेशन सिंदूर। Sainik High School. Today I will be speaking on the 2025 Pahalgam attack and India decisive retaliatory response Operation Sindoor. On 22nd April 2025, the Syrian Basran Valley in Jammu and Kashmir was shattered when about 7 armed terrorists opened fire on families horrifying in the meadow. This attack claimed 26 lives, including 25 tourists and one local hero, Syed Adil Hussain Shah, who died trying to save others. It was deadliest civilian attack in the region indicates. The terrorists specifically targeted individuals based on their religious identity, forcing some to resist versus to identify them. The investigation revealed that this is a calculated attempt to incite communal disharmony and cripple the booming tourism industry in Kashmir. The Resistance Front initially claimed responsibility, citing opposition to non-local settlement in region. India immediate strategic response. In the wake of this tragedy, India adopted a zero-tolerance policy that moved beyond mere words. Prime Minister Narendra Modi declared that terror and talks cannot coexist. Diplomatic action. India suspended the Indus Water Treaty, expelled Pakistani diplomats and closely borders to isolate the backers of terror. National security doctrine, a new red line was drawn. Any future terror attack would be treated as an act of war. Thank you.
Sindoor, the retaliation on the 9th of May 7, 2025, India launched Operation Sindoor. This was a precise multi-service military strike targeting 9 terror infrastructure sites across the border, including major camps in Muridke and Bahawalpur. Execution using Rafale jets and precision-guided munitions, Indian forces decimated launch pads without targeting Pakistani military or civilian facilities. Result: over 100 terrorists were eliminated and key planners of past attacks, including Yusuf Hazar, were neutralized. While the external strikes were ongoing, internal operations were equally relentless. Security forces tracked the 3 main perpetrators for 93 days. On July 28, 2025, Allied 4 para-commandos neutralized all 3 terrorists, identified as Suleiman Afghani and Gibran in the Dachigam forest. Concluding this topic, the Pahalgam attack was a test of India's resolve. Through Operation Sindoor, India proved that it no longer accepts nuclear blackmail as a shield for terror. As the Indian Army recently retaliated on the first anniversary, some boundaries should never be crossed. India does not forget. This operation has reshaped the strategic landscape of South Asia, ensuring that the cost of cross-border terror is now higher than ever before. दुनिया में मिल जाएंगे आशिक कई, पर वतन से हसीन सनम नहीं होता। हीरो में सिमट कर सोने से लिपट कर मरते हैं कई, पर तिरंगे से खूबसूरत कफन नहीं होता। जय हिंद।